In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create serial numbers in Airtable. If you've ever needed a clean, automatic way to label records like orders, tickets, or assets, this is a quick, reliable setup that takes just a moment and keeps working in the background. Start by opening Airtable in your browser and signing in so you can access your workspaces. From there, open the base or app where you want serial numbers. Make sure you're looking at the specific table that needs numbering, for example, your orders or inventory table. It helps to be in a grid-style view so you can clearly see your fields across the top. On the far right of your table's field headers, click the plus sign to add a new field. This is how you introduce a new column to your table. A configuration panel will appear asking for a field type and a name. In the field type area, type auto number in the search box to quickly find it. Select auto number from the list. Auto number is a special field type that assigns a unique sequential number to each record, starting at 1 and automatically incrementing as you add new records. You don't have to manage it manually, and it won't change when you sort or filter your data, which makes it great for dependable IDs. Give your field a clear, consistent name, such as serial number or record ID. Clear naming helps teammates recognize what the field is for and reduces mistakes when building views, filters, and automations. When you're ready, click Create. Airtable will add the new field to your table and immediately populate it for all existing records, starting at 1 and counting up. Any new record you add from now on will automatically receive the next number in the sequence, so you don't have to think about duplicates or gaps during normal use. A few helpful notes as you work. Auto number values are system generated and can't be edited directly. If you delete a record, its number isn't reused. Future records keep counting upward. If you need a formatted label like INV Raiche, keep the auto number field as your stable backbone and add a separate formula field to display a prefix or padding. If you ever need the numbers to start at a higher offset, use that same formula approach to add an offset to the underlying auto number rather than trying to reset it. Finally, consider locking the field or limiting who can change field types to prevent accidental edits. That's it. You've added automatic, reliable serial numbers to your Airtable table in just a few clicks.